This is our first day that we are working on the van. It is pretty cold outside. Jameer's getting the cord for the heater so we won't be freezing in here. Bought some tools that we needed to lift the holders for the seats. Here we go. This is originally a 15-passenger van that had 4 benches for passenger seats. We removed all of them and we're finishing up on the last few brackets and last bench for this van.
There's no time.
There's no time. We went in front of the camera. We were inside working on removing the bolts and the brackets. The weather has been really cold and wet here in Michigan.
After we cleaned the van out really good, we removed all the rust as much as possible, if not all, and then we primed it, painted it, and then we used the sound deadener along the walls, the sides of the van, the floor, and the ceiling to help reduce the vibration of the metal while it's driving.
Oh, this the roller. You gotta have one of these to flatten it off. Trying to get this flat top.
So this is how it looks afterwards, after we did all that.
Yep, so yeah, it's pretty smooth. So you gotta roll this material on.
Now we'll probably start getting the floor together, even work on the ceiling. So we need to get this done, at least most of it, before we go visit our family that we haven't seen in a while.
We're live on Hot Shot Multimedia.
There's no turning around.